To add mobile data button to the notification panel on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open the quick panel. By default, you can access full quick panel by swiping down the top of the screen by using two fingers like this. While you are in the quick panel, tap the pencil icon at the top of the screen. Tap Edit button below top thumbnail. Before you can add mobile data button, you have to remove one of the current buttons so that you can use the spot for your mobile data button. As the example, we will remove airplane mode button so that we can add mobile data button. To do so, tap the airplane mode button to remove it. And then under available button section, tap mobile data to add it to your notification panel. To save the change, tap Done button. To see the result, swipe down the top of the screen to open up the notification panel. You can see that your phone is now displaying the mobile data button at the top section of the notification panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.